Are you kidding me? The numerator is a composite function and the denominator is a composite function? Dude, we have our work cut out here. First of all, we're going to have to use two rules for sure. We're going to have to use the quotient rule. It says u over v prime equals v times u prime minus u times v prime over v squared. And this next one I like to call the power combo rule. It reminds me of when you drive through a fast food restaurant and they say, you want to power size that? You go, no, I just want the combo. It's a combo because we have to combine not only the power rule, but we have to combine the chain rule because u is a function of x here. So u raised to the n power prime, bring down the power, n times u to the n minus 1, subtract 1 from the power, and then you've got to hit it with the derivative of the inner function. That's the chain rule part, u prime. You have to multiply it by the derivative of the inner function. Okay, let's get started. The derivative with respect to x of this thing is the bottom, 4x minus 9, written in exponential form, the 1/2 power instead of the radical, times the top prime. We'll just notate it, 2x minus 3 to the third power prime. We'll work it out in the next step. Minus the top, 2x minus 3 to the third power, times the derivative of the bottom, 4x minus 9 to the 1/2 power prime, which we'll work out in the next step. And then square the bottom. Don't forget to square the bottom for the quotient rule. So all of this is just the application of the quotient rule. Okay, let's clean it up. Let's actually take the derivative of these guys upstairs, which will require the chain rule, or I should say the combo power rule. We've got 4x minus 9 to the 1/2 power times 3, bring out the 3, times 2x minus 3 to the 3 minus 1, 2 power. Okay, hit it with the chain rule, times the derivative of the inner function, 2x minus 3, that's 2, minus 2x minus 3 to the third power times, okay, power combo, 1/2 times 4x minus 9 to the negative 1/2 when you subtract 1 power, times the derivative of the inner function. The derivative of 4x minus 9 is 4. That's the chain rule part. Over, now when we squared the bottom upstairs, we squared the bottom and that obliterated the radical sign, so it's just 4x minus 9. Okay, now we're going to try to simplify this now. We're going to factor out 4x minus 9 to the negative 1/2 power because it is a common factor in the numerator. And we're also going to factor out 2x minus 3 to the second power. And that leaves 4x minus 9 to the negative 1/2 power times 2x minus 3 to the second power times, okay, hold on, before I go any further. Whatever I write here in terms of 4x minus 9, when I multiply it by the 4x minus 9 to the negative 1/2 on the outside, it's got to equal 4x minus 9 to the positive 1/2 because that was a factor of 4x minus 9 in the first term. And similarly, things going on like this in the second term. So if you don't believe what I'm about to write, just go back and check it yourself. Do it your own way. That's cool as long as you arrive at the same answer. We're just simplifying here. 6 times 4x minus 9 to the first power times 1, in other words 2x minus 3 to the 0. Here's the second term, minus 2x minus 3 to the first power times 1, in other words 4x minus 9 to the 0 power, over 4x minus 9. Okay, so let's simplify the 4x minus 9 on the top and bottom, combine them with the exponential law, 4x minus 9 raised to the top power minus the bottom power, okay, negative 1/2 minus 1, which is 2 over 2, times the 2x minus 3 squared times 6 parenthesis 4x minus 9 minus 2 parenthesis 2x minus 3. Okay, simplifying the first factor, we get 1 over 4x minus 9 to the positive 3/2 power times 2x minus 3 squared times 24x minus 54 minus 4x plus 6 when we distribute the multiplication. And cleaning up that last parenthesis, we got 2x minus 3 squared times 20x minus 48 over 4x minus 9 to the 3/2 power. Now, I should have really gone one more step because the question was written in not in exponential form, it was written in radical form. So I should have written a radical for that denominator. I should have written 4x minus 9 parenthesis cubed to under a square root sign. But quite honestly, if you stopped there and didn't write it in radical form, I'm not going to take any points off. That's the correct answer. That's cool.